Until now, it's been all about the journey. But only one team can reach the ultimate destination. Victory in the NBA Finals. This year, a storied franchise looks to place itself back atop the NBA's elite. Led by one of the greatest competitors of all time, hoping to add to his championship legacy.
Hey, no mercy, man. No mercy.
Coached by a man trying to cement his own place in history.
We want to win this game. No more. Not tomorrow. We'll win this game.
Their opponent, a franchise making only its second trip to the game's biggest stage, in search of a first taste of glory.
What there is here is a tremendous opportunity for a reward that you deserve for all of your hard work.
Fueled by a long-range aerial attack.
The NBA record for most threes in a game, the Orlando Magic.
And powered by a superstar on the rise. Two teams, one goal. Who will survive? Sounds of the Finals, presented by Right Guard.
Hey, let's come out ready, baby. Let's go to work, yo. Hard work, 1, 2, 3. Hard work!
As the playoffs got underway, the Orlando Magic had to fight their way out of a 2-1 hole against the underdog Sixers.
Hey, right now! Hey, it's our will to win right now!
Tied at 81. Down to 4. Turkoglu got it! Turkoglu delivers! And the Magic are in the second round once again.
All is well in Magic Land. Looking forward to round 2 and getting it done. Peace.
Meanwhile, out west, the Lakers started their playoff journey against the Utah Jazz.
Business as usual. It's about being professional, being a mature team, and see if we can't handle our business.
Let's go. Push it. Push it up. Let's go.
Bryant gets inside. Oh, what a finish from Kobe Bryant!
The Jazz are eliminated here, 4-1. The Lakers with the win. You're the best. You're the best. Thank you.
In the East semis, the Magic once again found themselves in a struggle, this time against the defending champs.
Got it! This puppy is over!
Orlando would have to recover from a 3-2 series deficit, something that had never been done against the Celtics.
Game 7, do or die, win or go home in Boston. We're going to try to make history tonight.
I have got tremendous belief in everybody in here individually and as a team.
Here's Alston racing the floor, finding Howard.
I know it's hard!
On the body.
Winning's hard!
Back out to J.J. Redick. Gets Marbury screened out by Howard, finds Howard rolling, spinning, and scoring. Can't stop that. So it will be the Orlando Magic and the Cleveland Cavaliers.
Hey, good series, way to play. Play big,
Yeah! Daddy team, tonight we got the lead and we just took it to a new level. Tomorrow it's back to work, but right now, have some fun.
Second round. 12 games away from achieving our goal, that's all. Starts tonight.
The Lakers also were pushed to the limit in round 2 by the feisty Houston Rockets.
Take them out right from the start. Ring on 3, 1, 2, 3. Ready.
Sasha settles in the wing, up top on him, fires a 3, it's good. Biggest lead for the Lakers here in Game 7.
A terrific series will end in a blowout as the Lakers will advance to the Western Conference Finals.
In the East Finals, the battle-weary Magic faced a team which had yet to lose a game in the playoffs, the top-seeded Cleveland Cavaliers.
The Orlando Magic is here, so you got to respect us. If you don't respect us, we're going to get you.
Nobody gave the Magic much of a chance against the Cavs and their league MVP, LeBron James.
LeBron! Everything's been easy for them. They don't know about this. We do. All right, let's get it out right here.
Cavaliers by 2. Lewis for 3. Yes! Magic win.
In Game 2, it appeared the Cavaliers had reclaimed the momentum of the series.
To LeBron for 3 for the win. Yes!
But once more, Orlando proved resilient.
We can't wait to see our fans how crazy they're gonna be, so I can't wait to see it right now too.
Heat up!
Once again, we're going down to the final minute. Rashard in the corner, he'll lift, he'll fire, it's up, it's in! Bullseye! And we're headed to overtime.
Hey, 5 minutes, let's win this thing. Come on!
Howard off a double, gets inside and puts it in. Ball game over, Magic win.
It's our time. It is what we worked for. There is no pressure. What there is here is a tremendous opportunity.
Down to Dwight, the money play, twisting, spinning, dunking. The Orlando Magic are headed to the finals for the first time since 1995.
Out west, the Lakers sought a return trip to the NBA Finals against the hard-nosed Denver Nuggets.
You gotta hit first tonight, hit all night. Ring on 3, 1, 2, 3, hey!
Kobe ducks around Carter, takes flight and stuffs it in. Denver down 2 with 30 seconds remaining. Trevor Ariza with the steal. The Lakers have stolen game 1 behind 40 from Kobe Bryant.
Kobe Bryant, everybody covers him. Not one guy, everybody covers him.
Bryant for 3, puts it in. Kobe Bryant once again, an amazing performance.
Through 4 games, Denver and its star Carmelo Anthony stood toe-to-toe with Los Angeles.
Move the ball and move yourselves. Trust your execution.
But it was the Lakers who proved too tough.
Jump pass inside for Odom, finishes and 1. Game over.
This is it now. That's it. It's for the money. Take them out right here.
We're playing desperation basketball. Hey, no mercy, man. No mercy.
Bryant gets inside, flips it up, banks it in, and a foul. Lakers going to their 30th NBA final.
This is where it becomes the greatest challenge for us.
Let somebody handle your tickets. Let somebody take your phone calls. Tell them leave you alone for another 2 weeks.
Focus now. We gotta focus.
1, 2, 3.